The length of a rectangle's diagonal is 3 root 17, and the length of a rectangle's shortest side is 3. What is the length of the rectangle's longer side? So this question mentions a rectangle. It would be in our best interest to sketch a rectangle. It takes 2 seconds. There we have it. It mentions the diagonal, or there it is. This is given to us as 3 root 17. Also recall that all angles in a rectangle are 90. So I'm going to make that a 90-degree angle. And then we're given the shorter side is 3. We are being asked to find the rectangle's longer side, so B over here. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but my goal here is to simply focus on this right triangle here. Remember, when you're given a right triangle, you can find its missing side given two sides using the Pythagorean theorem, right? So Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We have the hypotenuse, which is c, and we have the short leg, which is a, so let's go ahead and plug those in. So 3 squared plus b squared, which is what we're looking for, the longer side, equals the square root of 3 root 17 to the second power. Now notice that I'm enclosing the 3 root 17 in parentheses. Most people forget that. You need to enclose this in parentheses and then put the squared on the outside. Otherwise, you only square the root 17 and not the 3, which of course would be incorrect. So let's do the math. 3 squared is 9 plus b squared equals 3 root 17. 3 squared is 9. Root 17 squared is 17. 9 times 17 is 153. So let's go ahead and subtract 9 from both sides to get b by itself, to isolate b. So b squared equals 144. Then we're going to square root both sides, and we're going to find that b equals 12. Boom, shakalaka. That's the end of that question. Simple.